Sawadika. Hi everyone. Today let's make Gaeng Som Pla or just Gaeng Som, which is Thai sour curry. In the previous video, I showed how to make Gaeng Som Paste from scratch, so you can go back and check that video out. Perfect combination of sour and spicy. Pair it with your fresh fish and all the crunch from the vegetable and you get Gaeng Som. This recipe is for 2 to 3 person. Full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Before we proceed with the video, give this video a like, share, and subscribe to show your support. You can follow our work on YouTube and Facebook. Let's take a look at our ingredients. We have our sea bass, Gaeng Som Paste, plain water, tamarind juice, palm sugar, salt, sliced round cabbage, sliced unripe papaya, sliced long bean, and lastly our cauliflower. You can put any kind of vegetable that you like, but I'm using these because they have got a really nice crunch texture. So for our sea bass, make sure that you really clean out the belly section. Get rid of all the blood. You don't want any blood left. If there's still some blood, your fish will smell fishy. Also score the fish to make it cooks easier. Today I'll be boiling this, but you can also steam it and pour the soup all over on top. Bring your water to a boil and on a medium heat, put your fish in. Do not stir this. I use 7 minutes on the first side and 2 minutes on the other. Depending on the size of your fish, you need to gauge on how long it's gonna cook for. Put in your plain water and bring this to a boil. Put in your paste, stir well, and put in your seasonings. Put in your vegetable. Cover this with a lid. And this is our Gaeng Som. I'm so excited. I love sea bass and sour and spicy. So this is just perfection. So let's try this. That kick of the sour and the spicy. So it's sour, spicy, all of this beautiful mixture. This is such a good combination. So if you like sour and spicy, this is the dish for you. That fish is so inviting, but just be careful with the bone. The crunch from all of these and the fish, just perfection. See you next time in the next Thai recipe video. Bye bye!